What's up, YouTube? It's the Anthony Richard, your favorite singer, songwriter, rapper, and clothing brand designer of Dilapearlz Fashion and Beauty. Today, we talking PR packages. What are they? Do you need them? And how to make them on the budget for the fly. Welcome back to the channel. After this intro. All right, let's hop into it. PR packages. What are they? Do you need them? And how to make them on the fly? PR stands for press release, and it's basically bringing attention and press to your clothing brand or whatever it is that you're servicing. Cosmetics, clothes, whatever. You get the gist of it. It's bringing awareness to your brand, and the idea is to send these packages out to influencers, whether those influencers are micro influencers or bigger influencers. 9 times out of 10 they want to be compensated for their time and just to bring awareness to your brand. But if you know people like I did, I knew a lot of people. I did my press release kind of like local, and I knew a lot of people, so I really didn't have the budget starting out to pay people here, do this. I had a lot of PR off the strength of just who I am and, the love and stuff like that, especially because my sister is also an influencer. That kind of helped me out a lot in a sense, so I kind of used what I had to my advantage, and I advise y'all to do the same. So that's what a PR package is. Do you need a PR package for your business? The short answer is no. But if you have the budget, please, I advise you to do so. It gives people who never heard of you a chance to hear about you, hear about your products, and be influenced by the influencers with your products. And that, in return, should equal more revenue and more attention, I should say, for your brand. So let's get into like how to actually make it on the cheap, on the fly, and still make them look expensive. So hold on, let me get this box real quick. So these are like the empty boxes, and they come apart. They come like this, and I got these off of Amazon for I think $20 for like 200 of them. I could put it in the description below if you are interested in these type of boxes. But what I would do is, depending on who I would send my PR package to, I would customize it and have my branding on it. And I made these by just like glue with ribbon on it, and something simple and something easy. I am going to do a tutorial on how to actually achieve, don't copy this, but achieve something similar to what I have here. And I would customize it. This is like an extra one. I would put their name on it. I would make it feel special, and I would put like a thank you card. I would write them a letter. I would put some stickers. Just make them feel special, And these are like the envelopes that I would use to put their letter and stuff in. So that's that. Now let's get into the tutorial of how to actually achieve this look. The first thing you're gonna need, obviously, is the box. You can get the ribbon for like $2 at Walmart. Cricut machine. You're gonna have to have a Cricut machine. That's the most important thing of this budget QR package. Let's hop into it. I know y'all want to see how it's done. I'm tired of talking. I know y'all tired of seeing me talk. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open Cricut Design Space. Once that loads and open up, see, I already have my projects saved, and so it makes things a little bit easier for me. So I got it saved by sizing and like the font logo shorts, and this is for my PR boxes that stands for, and this is for like the t-shirts, which I'll see in the video as well. So make things easier for me, I would just go in, click that, and make it. But for this video, we'll customize it. Yada yada yada. I already know. Basically, this is saying that if I change or alter anything as far as adding ladders and stuff like that, it won't print. Why? Because I have to go back and save it to my Cricut again because it just updated. That's that. But you would type in whatever it is that you're gonna do, your logo, resize it and stuff like that. Then you would hit make it, and you would load your Cricut mat. I have a 12 by 24, and to save some time, I would just, like, maybe I was doing 6 or 7 or 8. Apply that, and you should probably apply it first, that way it doesn't change the size of the mat. But this is what it will look like. You will not mirror it. Do not mirror it. Do not mirror. I'm gonna say it again. Don't mirror it, because it's actually a sticker that you're sticking on the box. But this type of sticker is not coming off. Continue. You should end up with something like this. Nice and simple. All right, y'all, let's wrap this video up. I hope y'all got a lot of information out of this video about PR packages. I hope this helps help y'all decide whether or not a PR package will be something for your business. Again, my name is D'Anthony Richard, owner of Dilapearlz Fashion and Beauty. You can find my website at www.dilapearlz.com. I will link it below. Let me know in the comments what y'all thought about this video. If I missed anything that y'all, can think of, please, please, please let me know in the comments, and I shall answer it to my best of ability. But until next time, peace.